Hi everyone, how's it going? Welcome to the channel. Now, it's been a while since we've done two things on this channel. One, done a video based on the driveway, and two, we've done a video based on my Fiat Panda 100HP. So today we're looking to rectify those two things. You see, today what we've been doing, as you've probably figured out already by the title, we're going to be fitting this, or more specifically these, because there's two of them. Now these are official Fiat Panda longitudinal roof rails for it. Now these are incredibly rare to find. They are basically the holy grail of all Fiat Panda accessories. So the thing is, when you bought your Fiat Panda brand new, if you opted for these to be fitted to your car, they're often put on the car when you're new, and that's it. They stayed on there for the rest of the car's life, all the way up until the scrap yard. Now see, the thing is with these, because they are often fitted to the car, people didn't know how to take them off, and so when the car was scrapped, these would often go with them. So trying to find these second-hand now are really quite difficult. You can't usually find them on eBay, Gumtree, Facebook Marketplace, or any other sort of auction-y second-hand sites based like that. But as you can see here, I've managed to find this one, and of course its matching sibling. And what we're going to be doing is fitting this to my Fiat Panda 100HP. Now, with fitting it, I've seen quite a bit of misinformation online about how they fit. Some people think they fit in from underneath, which means it'd be behind the roof lining. Others say they cannot be fitted at all after they've been fitted by Fiat themselves. So if you didn't order them with them, that's it, you can't fit them. And others just say it's difficult, you can't do it. But in this video, what we're going to do is prove that it is quite easy to do and fit to your Fiat Panda 169, if indeed you can find some. I've come around to the other side of the car to show a little bit of TV magic. You see, with these, they fit on quite easily. You've got little caps in here, they come off, revealing a little thread. Put that on. Obviously you would have a normal little cap on there which would cover it all up, but I've taken this off for the ease of showing. And then what you do is just simply bolt it in. It is rather quick, straightforward and easy. First of all, you want to unscrew these little caps. These can often be undone by hand like I'm doing here, but if you need to, they've got a little crosshead in there, you can get a little screwdriver in. Easily done. I'm using this stuff just to give it a quick wipe over and around, just to get rid of any residue, any muck, any filth. Next up, I'm going to use some wax just to go around this and just help protect the paintwork a little bit. Obviously trying to be careful not to get it into the hole exactly, but just around it, and then buff it all up. It's all a bit of added protection really. This isn't obviously something you need to do, but every little helps, as they say. Here at Wulls Wheels, we always try and go above and beyond. With the covers now off, line this up, that's it. Always put a bit of grease on your nuts when you've got metal on metal contact. There we go. Right, now using a 10mm socket. Turn that up properly in a moment. There we go. That's on pretty securely. And that's how easy it is to fit a set of Fiat Panda longitudinal roof rails to your Panda 169 if it didn't come with them from factory. It's only 2 bolts to hold it in place on either rail, so it's quick and easy to do yourself, as you've seen in this video. Obviously, if you need to carry a roof box, bike rack or kayak or anything like that, you will need to get a set of crossbars like we've got on our Dacia Sandero, as you can see. But yes, it's quick and easy to do yourself. If you can't get a set of these and you can't manage to find one yourself, fear not, because there are alternatives available to this. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video on fitting these roof rails to the Fiat Panda 169. If you have enjoyed it, please consider leaving a like, comment down below. Let me know if you consider doing this to your own Fiat Panda, if indeed you've got one. And of course, don't forget to subscribe, because there's plenty more car content coming up on the channel. Anyway, that's it from me for this week. So until the next video, I shall say farewell.